To get public transport directions in a specific area, in this case we are in Helsinki in Finland, we have to tap on the direction symbol and choose this option in the middle. Now I'm going to tap on your location and then choose on map. I'm going to zoom in the map and let's place the pin here. Tap OK. Then for the destination, I'm going to choose the Olympic Stadium. I start typing and here it is. And these are the next departures. Now I'm going to see the details of the first suggestion. So I have to tap. First we have to walk 4 minutes to the tram stop and tap again, and the map will zoom to that area to understand better that step. Basically, we will walk to Senatintori. I don't speak Finnish, so my pronunciation is probably not correct. And then pick up the tram 4, go out at Opera, and finally walk to the stadium. I'm going to switch this to satellite view. Aha, now it's better. It's quite a nice ground. Okay, let's go back to our travel options. By default, the map shows the next departures, but we can change here to a specific time or if we want a different day. Other option is to choose a preferred mode, for example, bus. But have in mind that this will simply prioritize the mode you choose. If the options take longer or require more changes, like in this case, the app is still showing the most convenient options. You can see the options by bus appear only below because they require a change. Also, even if public transport is selected here, a walking option may be suggested if it won't take much longer. And this actually makes sense because if you are in a place for the first time, you may not know if it's worth to get a ride or you could just walk. Then, this is a recent feature, there are also options for scooters, the ones from companies that you can pick up on the street. If I select it and zoom the map, I can see this is the pickup point, and there are several available. Now we are going to learn how to check out the transport network of a city. We are still in Helsinki, but I'm using now the satellite view. So, I'm going to tap on the layers button, this one, and turn on public transport. If we zoom in, the transport network will appear, and in this case we can see the tram and subway lines. Now I'm going to zoom the map here, in this pink line, and tap in one of the stations to see the next departures. But note, you have to select the side on the direction you want to travel. And this is a tram line because you can see the symbol with the cable on the top. Let's tap here, and I can see this is the tram number 4. Then there are the next departures. Also, we can notice if the tram is on time or if any delay occurs. The next symbol means this vehicle is wheelchair accessible, and the last one is the occupation, which for this next ride it's not very crowded. So, all these trams go to Munkiniemi, which is this direction. Actually, we are close to the end. And if I choose the stop on the other side, you can see the schedule for the opposite direction. Another thing, select again the other side, and if we zoom out, we can usually see the current location of the next vehicle. This is very interesting, look, and it's supposed to arrive in 2 minutes. However, depending on your connection, you might need to tap again in the symbol to update the location. I'm going to change the map to default. And let's select a stop with several lines. For example, this one, Ilopila-Stalo. And you can see the several routes with its different destinations. Let's select now the bus ride number 10, and we can see the route with its stops, and above we can also switch to another of the next departures. Finally, below there is the website to the transportation company. If you tap there, sometimes you can see the website, a phone number if you want to call, or even a direct link to buy tickets or to look at the official schedules. Go back to the map. Now I'm going to look for a subway station or metro station, which is indicated by this M. Tap on it. Now the line is shown. So I'm going to zoom out to see all the routes. And look how many trains are running at the moment. Then, in that station, you can take the 2 lines of Helsinki Metro, which actually share most of the route. If I tap on M1, I can see only that route. Then tap again, and after on M2 to see the other route. Then the bus lines are not displayed directly on the map, because it would become too crowded. However, bus stops do appear. You can tap on one to display the lines that stop there. Now let's drag this up and tap on a specific line, for example 20, to view the full route on the map. Then the bus 30 is this one. Okay. You can click on the thumbnails to see more tutorials about Google Maps, and also there are others specifically for directions. Thank you and see you next time.